Good afternoon, guys. Well, back on the 94 Chevy. So you guys will see in another video the new reman that we got from Rock Auto. The output shaft is a lot bigger than that one. So once go put it in, not really paying attention. I obviously realized it wasn't gonna fit in the pitman arm. Well, AutoZone came through and got us the correct one. So in a minute here, I'm gonna slip that in, put it right in that area, and bolt it in. And then go from there, guys. Well, I'll show you guys when it's in, and I'll bolt it up from underneath, and then we'll drop it down and hook up the steering shaft and the lines, and start bleeding the system. All right, it's all bolted in. New cotter pins in. That's in. These are nice and tight, all three of them. So now we're gonna lower the truck down and start putting the lines back in and fill her up.
Right. Everything here, steering box is back together and done. Got fluid in it. Just gonna work our steering. Get all our air out. It's all handled. And then once this is done, we're going to work on our wiper switch.